Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you our newest screen mount. This is the Atlas Plus, and it is almost the same as our previous Atlas mount, although there is one key difference, and that is this plate. That add-on plate, though it looks like a simple component, this is the culmination of about a year of just experimentation, research, discussion with my machinist, as well as my clients regarding what they're looking for in a mount. So this mount is the same as our previous Atlas mount in that it allows the screen to swivel left and right and pitch adjust forward and back. However, with the addition of this plate, what it does is it takes the screen, moves it toward you a little over an inch, about an inch and a half or so, beyond what our previous mount did. Also, as a side note, there is plenty of wire harness that still runs from the dash up to the screen. Tesla gives a huge loop inside there. There's tons of slack, so there's no concerns there, but it moves the screen away from the dash about an inch and a half or so, over to the right just slightly to offset the corner of the screen a little bit further away from the steering wheel. And also it steps it up the thickness of this plate, which is about a ½ inch. That was done because a number of people, especially Model Y owners, tall Model Y owners, had mentioned that the layout of their interior is slightly different than that of the Model 3. And for the ratio of the dashboard versus the seat versus the floor and steering wheel and roof and all of those, that ratio of one component to the next in the Model Y lowers the center of, lowers the dashboard more than it would be in the Model 3. That lowering of the dashboard means that our normal mounts that lower the screen down, it's lowered just a little bit more than would seem ergonomic and visually appealing. Also, a couple of the taller customers of mine have mentioned that their knee gets close to the corner of the screen. So we wanted to move the screen up a little bit and over to the right. Again, the over to the right helps clear the steering wheel, but also their knee. What moving it away from the dash further does is a handful of things. It also moves it away from their knee, but what it does is now for most people, depending on their body structure, size, their ergonomics, the way they have their seats set, you can now, with your elbow on the armrest, reach the vast majority of the screen. In fact, in my Model 3, I can reach basically 90% of my screen without taking my elbow off the armrest. It also allows the screen to pivot even more left and right. So you gain more pivoting action left and right. The screen is much easier to reach, and it raises up just slightly away from your knee and offsets the screen to the right just a little bit beyond the steering wheel to help visually free up that area of the screen that the steering wheel would otherwise block. So I've been testing this mount in my car for the last several months, and I love it. I've had a number of my Model Y owners that I've been consulting regarding this mount. This is what I've been asked for, and so I'm excited to announce that this is a Black Friday week sale. These are in production now. We don't currently have them on the shelf assembled shipping as of the filming of this video, but we will within a day or two. We expect them to be shipping within the next, I'd say, 2 weeks at the latest. We want to get them in customers' hands in time for Christmas. Also, this will come with our plastic cover kit, so there's no need to order that separately. And currently for Black Friday week, we will be offering this mount at the same price as our standard Atlas mount, although no discounts additional no additional discounts beyond that $355 price will apply on this product because it's already discounted down. We will also be offering a retrofit kit to retrofit this plate and the new plastic cover components to those existing customers that currently have an Atlas mount. So anyway, this has been a one-take video just shot with my cell phone because I'm having laptop issues. So I'll do my best to edit it and get an order link in the description below. However, if you do not see that order link come up, you can just go to my Shopify page, which is Tech Forum Products on Shopify. So you can, again, look for Tech Forum Products on Shopify and look for the Atlas Plus. That's the way it will be listed. And it will be selling for $355. I believe the update kit with the plate and the new cover will probably be about $85 if I'm have it calculated in my mind, but within a couple dollars of that. So thank you very much. I appreciate all of you guys. I really do. And as always, stay charged. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye now.